How to install Softinn Booking Engine WordPress plugin. Check out this video to find out how to install Softinn Booking Engine WordPress plugin on your hotel website. Go to Softinn Booking Engine plugin page in WordPress. Click on Download button. Then, save the files to your preferred folder. Go to your WordPress admin panel and click Plugins located at the sidebar. Go to your WordPress admin panel, then click on Plugins. Click Add New. Here is the Add New button. Click Upload Plugin. And here is Upload Plugin button. Click Choose File. In the pop-up dialog, select the plugin zip file that you have downloaded. Then, click Install Now. Here you can choose File. Select the downloaded plugin zip file. Click on Install Now. After installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. Here is the Activate Plugin button. Back at the plugin page, scroll down to find Softinn Booking Engine plugin. Click Settings. Go to the Plugins page. Then click Settings on Softinn Hotel Booking Engine. Fill your hotel ID. You can get your hotel ID by logging into Softinn Extranet. Go to the More tab, and click Generate URL Link. Go to Softinn Extranet. Click More, then click on Generate URL Link. You need to copy the hotel ID. Then paste it. Select your color theme. Copy the shortcode, Softinn BE. Click Save Settings to save. Choose your color theme. Then copy the shortcode. Once done, remember to click on Save Settings. Paste the shortcode in your page content where you want the booking engine to show up. Add new pages for Softinn Booking Engine. Then, insert page title. Paste the shortcode on your page content. This is how Softinn Booking Engine plugin looks on your WordPress page. Softinn Booking Engine plugin is appear on your page. In addition, you also can add the Softinn widget to your page. Go to your WordPress admin panel page. Go to Appearance, then Widgets. Drag Softinn Calendar to your blog sidebar or page. Click on Appearance, then Widgets. Click on Softinn Calendar widget. Then, drag Softinn Calendar widget to your blog sidebar. Click on Visibility. You can custom the condition, if any. Then, click Done. This is how Softinn Calendar widget will appear on your blog sidebar page. Here, you can see Softinn Calendar widget is appear on your blog sidebar. Congratulations! You have successfully added Softinn Booking Engine WordPress plugin to your page.
Thank you for watching. My name is Go Heng from Technical Department. My role is doing the back end of the system. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe our channel.